Of these 10 activities, some students from the local community came onto Marlborough School site, engaging in activities with our students in our facilities, in the swimming pool, across our houses as well. At the same time, members of different houses went off-site to work with local school children, to work with the elderly in care homes, and to help upkeep and garden with local schools as well.
We went to Companionship and Conversation, the local school down our road, and there was a hut there that wasn't in the best of shapes, so we repainted it a nice blue colour.
For our outreach project, we collaborated with Marlborough House, and we invited the students from Malaya over to Marlborough College. We started with having them play games, so we splitted boys and girls. The boys played a bit of football, while we helped the girls with capture the flag.
It was really, really lovely, and then afterwards we all came together and we did a slip and slide, which we have at school, and it was so great to watch the kids do it. They were so excited. There was a little bit of a language barrier just because not all of us speak Malay, but they were so excited and so enthusiastic, and so were we, and so it was just really, really lovely. And then Marlborough House brought them some ice creams, and so they were just running around covered in bubbles, eating ice cream, and it was just really amazing to see.